What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. We're breaking this no huddle Mosaic. 1 auto per box on average. 8 cards per pack. 18 packs. 3 silvers and 10 no huddles. Parallels. 5 inserts and 1 rookie variation no huddle. Let's get it. There's a lot of people that will be watching this later on. Good luck, everybody. Let's go. Let's break some fire. All right, I'm going to get started. I know most people can watch this later on. It'll be posted on YouTube. That takes some time, but let's go. All righty. Let's go. Let's break this thing. What's going on, Pat? All righty. Let's get some fire tonight, man. I love Mosaic. I love opening Mosaics. I know you do too, so let's get it. First pack, we'll go left. All right, y'all. Good luck. All righty. Let's see if we got some color. Nope, something there. All righty, let's go. We got Zach Ertz. We got a Marshall Falk. We got Zeke. Some of these have smudges. It always comes with Mosaic. We got Kevin Keene. We got David Montgomery. Oh, who is this? Sonny Michel for the Patriots. All righty. Boom. Chase Claypool. I think that's a variation. I'm not sure. And the Lamar Jackson. And a Kiss Reporter on the back. All right, we got Chase on the board. It's 1 rookie, right? Let's keep it going. One sleeve. All righty. Chase is on the board. All right, let's go then. We got a Sonny Michel. Okay. All right, let me know who you guys want to see. Let me know who you want to see. We got a Eli Manning. We got Howie Long. We got a Donovan McNabb. We got Jason Witten. We got a Mark Ingram. Cole Kmet for the Bears. Disco. Boom, there he is. Jordan Love. Let's go. Patrick's. And a Justin Jefferson. Nice rookies. Let's keep them coming, though. Let's keep these rookies coming. We want them all. All righty. Cole Kmet always comes out of my breaks. All righty, let's go. We got a Dan Marino. We got a Nick Bosa. T.J. Hawkinson. DJ Clark. Dak Prescott. Here we go. Oh, Daniel Hunter Mosaic. 2 a time. Let's go. Let's get a 2 man. I'm with you. Boom, a Jerry Jeudy. We're hitting a lot of rookies. Man, this one is scratch bad. Look at that smudge line. Ouch. Sorry, Broncos. Barry Sanders. And a Kiss Reporter. So we got a little rookies going on. Little rookie action. We need the big dogs to come out, though. Alrighty, nothing big so far. That'd be nice. Let's get you a 2 pink, man, and purple. Jerry Rice, Tom Brady. We got Curtis Martin. We got a Mark Brunell. We got a Jarvis Landry. Boom! There he is, Joe Burrow. Let's go. And behind that, we got DeAndre Swift. Oh, and a Jordan Love. Let's go. Dang, back-to-back rookies. But we need some color, man. Can we give us some color? That's 2 Jordan Loves already. For the Pack Town. Alrighty. We got Sonny Michel. We got Darius Slayton. We got Richard Sherman. We got Calvin Ridley. Kerryon Johnson. For the Redskins, Adrian Peterson, man of mastery. Boom, there he is, Joe Burrow. What's going on? Joe's hitting today, Harrison Smith. And that's it for that. There we go. 2 Joe Burrows. Been hitting Joe Burrows like crazy. Nice base right there. All right. Let's keep going, though. We need color. It's all good, but we need color. These bases are nice, but we need color. Here we go. Jared Goff. We got Jimmy G. We got Matt Ryan. We got Cortland Sutton. We got John Brown. What is this? For the Panthers, Montage. Christian McCaffrey. Brandon Ayuk for the 49ers. Randy Moss. And the Kids Reporter. There's a lot of rookies in here. A lot of base. Pretty solid. I don't know. You know, all the discos are gonna come out, and we're due for some hits, and it's gonna come out. When it comes out, it's gonna come out. These hits. Man, I'm having trouble opening this. They're all due. They're all in there somehow. Alrighty, let's go. We got Randy Moss. We got an A.J. Brown. We got a Tremaine Edmonds. We got a T.J. Watt. We got a Kyle Fuller. Here we go. Oh, this might be you, bro. This might be you, bro. Dan Marino. I saw. Still nice. Let me see that number. Is that purple? Damn, 19 out of 20. Dan Marino. Shoo. It wasn't Tua, but Dan Marino is nice. We got a Kenneth Murray for the Chargers. We got an A.J. Dillon for the Packers. And that's it. That's a fire hit, man. Dan Marino to 20. That is fire. Check this card out. Let me top load it. To 20. We'll take it. To 20. Alrighty, let's go. Let's get you the Tua, though. We got Kyle Rudolph. We got Mike Allstott. We got Taysom Hill. We got Deshaun Watson. We got Charles Tillman. Kevin Keene for the Packers. Packers are hitting. We got a Henry Ruggs. And we got a Mark Andrews. All righty. Let's go. Dan Marino. All righty. We got Marshawn Lattimore. We got Charles Woodson. We got a Brian Dawkins. We got a Lee Dotson. We got a Lander Vander Ish. Zeke for the Cowboys. We need some rookies, though. Isaiah Simmons. And an Emmitt Smith. Come on, we need heat. We need heat. Let's get some heat. Pretty nice discos. Not bad. But we need to do better. Let's go. What's up, Patrick? Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Josh Jacobs, Miles Sanders. We got Patrick Mahomes. We got DeAndre Hopkins. We got Terrell Davis. Boom, nice mosaic. DeAndre Swift for the Lions. We got a Patrick Queen. We got another Chase Claypool. There you go, Steelers. Y'all hitting. Let's go. Come on, we need some fire. What up, man? Hopefully we get to break later too, man. That's a nice DeAndre Swift mosaic for the Lions. Alrighty, come on, let's heat up. We need to heat up. This one feels a little thick. Devontae Parker. We got Steve Young. We got Lamar Jackson. We got Dick Buckus. Leonard Fournette. Oh, here's our blue. Let's go. Come on, blue. Cam Chancellor, blue. I believe that's to 75 for the Seahawks. 75, that's a pretty nice card. We got Antonio Galdi Golden. We got another DeAndre Swift. And that's it. The Lions are hitting. The Lions are hitting. That's a nice hit for the Seahawks. Nice color match. Pretty nice. But we need some bangers, man. We need Joe Burrow. We need Tua. We haven't hit Tua. Got to hit Tua. We need Jalen. Alrighty. Come on. Show me some magic. We got Jalen Ramsey. We got Debo. We got John Riggins. We got Josh Allen. We got Devontae Parker. George Kittle for the Frisco. A Derek Brown. And a Jerry Rice. Back-to-back 49er hits. Nothing big, though. Come on. Let's go. Let's finish strong. We got to finish strong. Come on, let's finish strong. We got Jamal Adams. We got a Cooper Kupp. We got Khalil Mack. These smudges on these cards. Jeez. Gardner Minshew. Jeff Okuda, rookie variation for the Lions. Lions are hitting today. We got Juju Smith-Schuster. We got a Gabriel Davis. And a Coca Met. And the Kids Reporter in the back. Man, let's go. We need some fire and nothing big. Come on. Jeff Okuda, rookie variation is nice, but not that nice. Unless you're a Lions fan, of course. But we need some more heat. Let's finish strong. The Dan Marino can't be it. It's a nice card, but it can't be it, though. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's get something nice for the people. All right, we got Rob Gronkowski. We got Mike Evans. We got Aaron Donald. We got Kareem Hunt. We got Julio Jones. Aaron Donald, nice hit, Rams. LaMichael Perine. And a John Elway. Come on. Nice Ram hit. Alrighty. We got 4 more packs. 4 more packs. We haven't got a signature yet. Hopefully we get something. Let's go. Come on, man. Show us something nice. Rob Woodson. We got Dalvin Cook. We got Bam Bam. We got Myles Garrett. We got Jordan Hicks. Dang, Dan Marino. I know you want Tua, man, but Dan Marino's coming out. We got Joshua Kelly. Come on, Herbert. And another Dan Marino. What's going on, man? I got Miami vibes going on here. I probably want to be in Miami right now. That's probably why. Keep showing me Miami. It's not Tua, though, man. I know you'd rather have Tua, though. I know you'd rather see Tua. Come on, let's go. We got Jared Cook. We got Yannick. We got Phillip Lindsay. We got Devin Singletary. Oh, man. Wow, nice. Earl Thomas. Let's go. Signature Ravens. Nice hit. Wow. That is such a nice card. Bam. Is it numbered? I feel like going to Miami. Not numbered. Whoa. And after that, there you go. Ravens. It is your night. Purple. My gosh. It is your night. That is to 50. If you're a Ravens, you are loving this right now. My gosh. The hits. We got Lynn Bowden Jr. We got another Lamar Jackson. Wow, Ravens packed. That is crazy. I love that Earl Thomas, though. Earl Thomas is nice. Man, if you don't want that car, I'll buy it from you. Whoever has the Ravens, y'all eating, man. Y'all taking... Shit. Let's see. Let's get these on the board. Ravens, man. You couldn't ask for a better break, man. You couldn't ask for a better break. Boom, back to back for you. Just for you. All right, let's finish strong. That was our signature, man. Come on. No Tua, man. No Herbie, no Jalen. Let's go. Let's get them. We got George Kittle. We got Adrian Peterson. We got Matthew Stafford. We got Cole Beasley. We got Andre Johnson. Boom. Silver Chase Claypool. Nice looking card. We got Brian Edwards. We got Michael Thomas and a Kiss Reporter on the back. Nice hit. Chase. That's a nice looking card. Man. Come on, Herbie. Where you at? All right, let's go. Last pack. Let's get it. Last pack. We got Warren Sapp. We got Cameron Jordan. We got Marcus Mariota. We got Allen Robinson, the second. We got Tony Gonzalez. Joshua Kelly, come on. You could have gave me a Herbie. Denzel Mims. And the last card is a Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. That was a decent break. Not the best. Nothing huge. I mean, if you're a fan of the Ravens, you got good cards, man. Let me go through all the hits. Go through all the hits. Thank you guys for joining. I'm going to go through most. These are the bigger hits. We got Joshua Kelly for the Chargers. We got Chase Claypool. We got Dan Marino. Got Aaron Donald. We got Jeff Okuda Disco Variation. Another Cam Chancellor, number to 75. Mosaic DeAndre Swift. A purple Dan Marino, number to 20. 19 out of 20. We got Joe Burrow. We got a beauty, Earl Thomas. And a numbered 50 purple color match, Lamar Jackson. Thank you guys for joining. You guys have a good night. Take care. Bye.